Hello, everybody. Let's try some problems about properties of sine function. Okay, so let's try this one first. Okay, so in here the direction is asking what is the period. The period is the distance from top to top or the full circle. Okay, like here is half, here is half. So you can take it from top to top. To find the distance, you can count how many units are they. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 units were the how much? If you go from the origin, going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see that the period is 180 degrees. Okay. All right. So here is a vertical shaft. This is the midline. The midline that split the full circle, right, into halves. So the midline is at what number on the y-axis? So as you see, it is at number 2. So the vertical shaft is 2. What is the amplitude? Amplitude is asking about the height. Once you reach the midline of the function, so you see from here going to the top. How far is it? It's like it's not 1, because if it's 1 it would be right here, but it's like half of it, so it is 1/2. Okay, here again is asking about the period and it's in degree. So like from top to top is how much? So you see it's about, well, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And these 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is 12. That means it is, or if you go from the origin all the way to the right, 12 units, you see it is 540 degrees. Okay. Here the direction is asking about vertical shaft. So vertical shaft, the midline that splits the period into 2 halves. Okay, so if you go like horizontally to -1 across -1, you see when go to the y-axis, it's -1. You see half of the circle and another half of the circle. How do you know? If you go in here 1, 2, 3, and you go to the other half 1, 2, 3, so it is at -1. So the vertical shaft is -1. All right, amplitude, midline, and then you see the height from the midline to the max or to the min. Okay, so keep practicing and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.